Guys, so I'm gonna start filming a couple of videos, and I decided that I should probably before I put this mascara on, I should show you guys like a little first impression. I got this mascara, oh my gosh, when was it? I got it in one of my boxes. I can't remember if it was Boxy or Ipsy. I think it was back in January, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. From who? I forgot who it's from. I don't remember because it's in one of those videos and I don't remember the brand. So it's super cute, white with like a very tropical-ish packaging. And let me try this out for you guys. This looks like it's gonna clump quick, but its wand is very similar to the Better Than Sex, which is kind of promising. But it's weird because look how it's like bleeding on the thing, on the spoolie thing, on like the stick. All right, guys, so let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna have to like, all right, so let's see how this works on my lashes. As you can see, I don't have anything on my lashes right now. I'll tell you one thing, it feels nice going on my lashes. It feels like a feather. I don't know why, but it does. It's a weird feeling. Okay. It's weird. It kind of like spiders them out. I don't know if you can tell. It kind of like spiders them out all different ways. So like my little lash hairs are like going this way, that way, everywhere. I don't really understand what that is, but let's do the other one, the other eye. Whoa. Wow. That was, oh, I was blocking you guys. I guess it's trying to give that feathered look, which I'm not a fan of, to tell you the truth. But it does accomplish a feathered look. If that's what, and it does give a lot of length, I'll tell you that much. Definitely. Like, look at that. There's a lot of length here. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, there's a lot of length here for sure. And let me tell you something, because it's called Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. It definitely gives a feathered look for sure. Like, I would have never thought that a mascara could do that. That's why I was telling you that my hairs are going this way, that way, and every which way. It does give that feathered look for sure. Now, if you ask me if I like it 100%, I don't like it too much. I'm gonna use it on my bottom lashes too. Oh yeah, it's already kind of making the bottom lashes a little crazy. I usually use the same mascara that I use on my top, on my bottom. I haven't applied lipstick or anything, that's why I look kind of crazy. They look kind of cool though. Like, I'm not in love with the feathered look, to be honest, but it doesn't look bad. I thought it was gonna kind of look worse. It does, what I do like about it is that it makes it look natural. You know what I mean? Like, your lashes look kind of natural because all the hairs are going different ways. So it's not like, nobody would ever think that you have like either a mascara did that, or like if you have falsies, you know, falsies don't really ever look like that. I don't know if I should apply another coat. Let's do coat number 2 and see what this looks like. See if it clumps or anything like that.
So how's it going?
Wait. Well, I can tell you that it dries very quickly. So if you're planning on doing more than one coat, you probably have to like do it quickly because it definitely dries quickly. And this is the type to clump. I don't know if you noticed there. So far what I would give this mascara, to tell you the truth, is probably an 8 out of 10. It's not that bad. I like the look it gives. I didn't think I was gonna like that because I don't like feathered looks. I don't like that. But it looks really, really nice. It's not bad at all. So if you guys want to give it a try, I just don't remember what company it's from. It's the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Mascara. Definitely gives you a feathered look, definitely volumizes and gives you length. So for like an everyday, it's an amazing mascara. So far, so good. I like it, guys. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Love you guys.